What's going on, YouTube? Fresh Media here, back at it again with another one. So today, as you guys can see, I'm not in my usual garage. I'm actually in my home garage, and today I got something very special for the car. Today I'm going to be going to my uncle's house because he has all the tools to do this. I have tools, but I don't have like all the tools that we might need today to install these parts in the car. I've tried to find some videos to like go by and see how hard or how easy it is to take these things off and install these parts, but I seem to not find any good actual videos showing you guys or showing me how to install these parts. Actually, I just picked up SPC Camber arms. I'm going to show you the arms that I'm going to be installing today, and I'm going to try to get as much as I can, and I'm going to try to record as much as I can so that I can show you guys how to install these parts. Well, here we go. Alright guys, so this is the SBC rear control arms for a 10th gen Accord. These are actually bought used off of somebody already, so I'm not even gonna adjust these because he was already running kind of the same spec wheels I'm running. So we're gonna leave it like that for now, and we'll make some adjustment once I test fit the new wheels, which that will be coming up on the next video. So expect that video to come up. I'm telling you, these are my dream wheels, so expect that. But yeah guys, let's just head over to my uncle's house. Let's just start getting this installed, because I heard the rears are a pain in the rear. And yeah, we're just gonna go jump right into it. Hopefully we can get that done today, and hopefully I could get the fronts also done today. So without further ado, let's just head over to my uncle's house and get this thing going. It's actually been a while since I've taken you guys on the POV drive, so I figured why not do it today on my way to my uncle's house. Obviously I'm not going to show you where he lives, but yeah, let's just drive down there. Probably give you some exhaust clips and all of that stuff. Nice, right? Let's see. I actually want to thank each and every one of you guys that have been watching and supporting me. It's wild to actually think that my channel is actually growing now. I'm actually surprised but happy at the same time. Yeah, there's a lot more coming, a lot more content. It's just, you know, it's been cold here and like on and off, but I'm gonna keep giving you guys content. I'm gonna keep modifying my car, hopefully keep adding extra stuff. These roads are horrible. But yeah, like I told you guys before, the next video I'm going to be revealing my new wheels. Those wheels are actually my dream wheels. I've wanted these wheels for a very long time now. I saved up for these wheels. It's something that you guys should, like, everybody should do. Don't always rush anything. Just take your time, be persistent, and just don't rush your builds, guys, because at the end of the day, you do it for you, not for anybody else, and nobody else is going to be watching out for your bank account. Nobody else knows the struggles or what you guys are going through. So if you want to, you know, build your cars and all of that stuff, just take your time with it. If you could afford it, perfect, beautiful. But if you can't, like, basically like me, like I can't just go and drop $20,000 at one time just to get my car done. Like, this is a process. So yeah, just take your time. If you want to do something to your car and it's expensive, just save up. Just take your time, save up, and eventually you will buy that piece that you really want. Like, and for instance, me, I've been wanting these wheels for a while. I wasn't able to buy them, but now I had the opportunity. I actually appreciate Antonio for hitting me up and letting me know that his brother was selling those wheels. He knew for a while that I've wanted those wheels and that I've been saving for those wheels. But yeah, just what I'm telling you guys, just take your time, save up, buy what you need. Don't buy just to show off that you don't build your car for others. Build the car for yourself, because at the end of the day, you're the one that's driving it. You're the one that's going to enjoy it. Nobody else is going to care whether your car looks good or not, or if you did something and they didn't like it. At the end of the day, it's your build, your car. Alright guys, so from my understanding, we're going to be taking this bolt off, and there's actually one bolt all the way up there. I don't know if I can see that. What happened? Let me see. Holy shiitake mushrooms. Right there. So yeah, seems fairly easy. I think this is the easy side. Yep, so as everybody was saying, this thing is freaking hard, especially when you got big hands.
Get the thing. You think it's in?
Yeah. Alright guys, the easiest way to actually get this done is with two people. One underneath and one maneuvering the actual camber arms. Yeah, this thing is a little bit uncomfortable down here. So, if you don't have to and you got the money, take it to a shop.
Oh yeah.
But if you're like us, just go ahead and get it done. That's it. Almost done with this side. Then after this, we go to the next side. Jeez.
Come on, really, dude? Ya está apretando, This is gonna be fun. This is the difficult side, Luigi.
One of them was the difficult side.
This is the difficult side because there ain't no way to get there. Oh, no, this is the easy side.
Is it?
Yeah.
Nice. Alright guys, so this was it for this install. Yeah, it was pretty complicated as they say, but nothing too crazy. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time.